the new updated bottle carb. So what we changed out was the mounting platform. The short lock here had a lot of wobble since it was short. So we lengthened the travel that it's going to go along the fishing wire. So we're going to have a new round race, as you can see here, bolted into the old version of the car. We have a new version coming to show you in just a minute. So I'll pump this up to about 45 psi. And we're off. All right, so let's go down here. Now the old style, we're just gonna have to reuse again. With the interlocking, we can easily take it out, put it in a new car as we please. So I'm going to take this, switch it out for the next car. Now in this car we 3D printed wheels and then put O-rings around them for a rubber traction surface. Swap the bottle caps over. Tighten up the line. And